Hey friends, hope you guys are doing well. No one knew about Gunjan Saxena until now, but in reality, she was a war hero. This movie is based on the life of Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, popularly known as the Kargil Girl. She was the first Indian Air Force woman officer who went on a war and played a very important role in rescuing injured soldiers during the Kargil War of 1999. She made history during the war and she was also awarded the prestigious Gallantry Shaurya Award for her bravery. Produced by Dharma Productions for the theatre release, but is now a Netflix original. Guys, let's start the review of Gunjan Saxena by saying that there are good things about the movie. That is certainly about a great story of Gunjan Saxena, a brave story which is surely needed to be told to the people. As the country is progressing and transforming and moving towards gender equality, such stories, I think, of dealing with heroes, real heroes, will really inspire the girls to make it big for themselves, and some of them will surely do something great for the nation as well. Further, I love how the protagonist rose above the typical slated norms of the society or even what was shown in the air forces as well. For example, no toilets for women in one of the scenes that we saw in the movie, as there is no precedence of female soldiers or pilots at that point in time. To unshackle so many norms, societal and mental and physical norms will inspire many women to become independent and be successful. This movie is also a very tight slap on the face of men. These women clearly lesser than them as they think that muscle power can actually suppress them and win over anything. That's so very wrong. A strong mind and a strong will can win over anything. Women have proved it in the past like Rani Lakshmi Bai, and they are proving it even strongly and aggressively in 2020. Yes, there is a downside of this movie as well. It's not very well made. First of all, Janvi's acting is like very ordinary. She's looked very fragile, isn't looking or sounding like a soldier. Her training sessions or running sequences look all made up. It is not looking very real at all. She should have learned from the Dangal girls to how to prepare for tougher roles which demands like physical appearance of a certain kind and also the back body language. I think the dialogues too were not impactful at all. एक जवान की आवाज में बुलंदी होती है. Very disappointing to see how well she prepared for this role. The last scene where Janvi says fire is so poorly delivered that this kind of a fire will not even ignite a birthday candle, I would say. I'm sure the real Gunjan Saxena was a tigress and Janvi did not learn much about her even while meeting her on the sets. Looks like she was a very poor choice of this kind of a tough role. Typically, one needs a very seasoned actor with a lot of expression for this kind of a biography. We'll not open the topic of nepotism here, but a lot of people will surely ask why Janvi for this kind of a movie. Direction altogether with the screenplay, if I merge it together and see it in entirety, is average, nothing original, looks like inspired by the work that we've already seen. Another important thing is the background score, which is very bad again. I would say it did not give me any goosebumps. Very important for a war film, especially when there is a female protagonist. The only bright side is the support cast like Manav Vij and Angad Bedi. They excelled in their roles. Pankaj Tripaঠি's acting, personally speaking, is getting repetitive and he needs to rediscover himself. It doesn't inspire at all. A story of a woman breaking all kinds of taboos against all odds, went on to do something great for the country and is shown in a very uninspiring manner. Do share your comments on how you liked the movie. According to me, if this movie was released in theaters, it would have flopped or would have just made money because of the anticipation and the things that we want to know about the real Gunjan Saxena. This would have flopped also because of the reasons of the negativity around the Dharma production and Tarun Johar these days. ये मूवी तो दोस्तों ये ऐसी ही निकली है, but see you very soon with exciting reviews soon. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you.